Hello friends, this is Raman Gill from tradingwithvenus.com. Today I wanted to share with you a simple trick on how to find market direction. One of the questions that I often get from beginner traders is how do we find out where the price will go next? And today I will share with you a simple trick on how to find that direction and how to take that trade. We'll look at a trade example so that I can explain this to you. Just a quick disclaimer before we get started. This is for education purposes only. If you have questions about your individual investing needs, I recommend you talk to an investment advisor. Moving on to the charts here, we are looking at pound US dollar daily chart. The candle close that we saw for yesterday, this here, it was an indecision candle. It was a spinning top. And when you get a spinning top like this, it usually suggests that the trend may be coming to an end and we would get a potential reversal the next day. Based on this candlestick, we can decide where the market may go next. So let's back up a bit. Starting the week off here, we saw this green candle close, this bullish candle close, and price failed to close below this 145.20 level and instead pushed up. Once you get a bullish candle close, the next day you're looking for a follow through on that. So the next day your bias would be to the upside. And as we can see here, we get a bullish candle. Price opened and then pushed up all the way to 145.20 level, and then finally at the close of the day pushed off of that level, but it was over 100 pip gain on that day. Once the candle closes with a pin bar on top, now that could be a potential place where the market may reverse. However, what we're looking for here is a break of this support and resistance area. So mark your support and resistance areas. And first, as we can see, because there was a rejection up top here, we see a pullback. Once the price does not break the bottom of this bullish candle, it pushes off of that level and follows through and goes into your next support and resistance area, your next trading range. So it closes above the previous high, these pins. It goes through 145.20 area, and now we have moved to the next level in terms of our trading range. The following day, because of the bullish close, we would expect another move to the upside. And as we can see, it moved to the next support and resistance area. And here is our major support and resistance area. As you can see, this level has been respected several times and price has tried to break through this but has reversed quickly the same day previously. So we would look for similar behavior. We would look for price to go to this level and then have some trouble with it. And as you can see, because of that support and resistance, we saw a pullback in the market and price closed as a spinning top, which is a very neutral candle. So after this, we would be open for the price to move to either side. However, because price has built up and the candles were getting bigger before and now they're getting smaller, that shows that the buying may be coming to an end and now we may see a potential reversal. In the daily analysis video that I did for our trade room subscribers, I said that we should see a move to the downside today because we had seen this rejection of this level, which had been respected several times before, and then today we'll be looking for a pullback. I was actually looking for a pullback in this 45.20 area or into the 4500 area. So the price did come a little bit lower than that. Looks like it wants to move lower here. It's at 144.88 level. So it did break through that 20 level and even went a little bit further, which is very good. So we still have a lot of room. It moved down about 100 pips. So there was plenty of room to actually get a good trade in. Let me show you another example here. As you can see, this, we had a bullish candle here, another follow through on bullish candle, and then we had a spinning top. And as you can see, we saw a reversal candle the following day. And this is exactly what I was looking for. Price to move up, give us a spinning top, and then a reversal here. And we have another example here where we had a bullish push, big candle, green candle, and then we saw the spinning top, and finally the price fell the following day. So this is just one example of how you look at your daily candlesticks, and based on how the daily candlestick closes, you can gauge the market direction for the next day. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to join my trade room, we have a trade room that runs every Tuesday to Thursday from 9 a.m. Eastern to 11 a.m. Eastern Time. As a part of the trade room, you get my weekly market overview video, which comes out every Sunday. You also get my daily market analysis video where I talk about the market direction, some of the levels that we are looking for, price to go to, and where you can take your trades. Then the live trade room runs in the New York session, and we look at technical and fundamental analysis. And again, we look to take trades. You can see the trade setups that I am looking for, where I'm taking my trade, where I put my stop loss, and where my take profit targets are. And this will be a great learning opportunity. You also will become a part of my Facebook group where we all share our ideas and help each other grow. You also will get access to my media library where I will post trade examples so that even if we haven't taken that trade setup, next time we see it, we are well equipped to take that setup. As a bonus, I will also give you my pivot point indicator. This is one of the things that I use in my trading, and the price for this is only $99 per month. Right now, it's a special promotion down from $169 a month. If you would like to join me in the trade room, I invite you to visit tradingwithvenus.com/work with me page.